Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September 11th, 2019, and what I wanted to talk to you about today is what is eating and damaging your eggplant fruits. And you can see this one here is pretty well damaged. Now you can peel this and still use it. We haven't noticed that they damaged the inside, they just damaged the exterior. So, what is doing this damage is a striped cucumber beetle, or it can also be the spotted cucumber beetle. And I've been growing eggplants for a lot of years now, and I've never had an issue with these bothering my eggplants. But they even got in the greenhouse and ate some of the pink tongue eggplants. This one here is a Rosa Bianca one. And I'll show you some more damage that they did. Hold on a moment. And you can just see what they did with it. And I'm using neem oil to help control them because I can't have them damaging my eggplants, or they were eating my straw flowers this year, and I've never seen them eat straw flowers before. And it's very strange that they're doing this because it's, I've never seen this done before. So I just wanted to give you this quick video here on this, and I can't figure out why they're doing what they're doing, but for some reason they have just decided to target the eggplants and the straw flowers this year. You can even see what they did on this one here. And how I figured this out, I went in my greenhouse the one day, and I was looking at my pink tongue eggplants, and I just happened to move one of the leaves, and I saw the spotted cucumber beetles eating them. They actually had eaten holes in them, and they went like inside the eggplant, and I've never seen them do that before. And I seen the striped ones eating one of the Matoya eggplant fruits outside, and it's just very strange. So I am using neem oil to control them. I will have a link down in the description for the neem oil that I use. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!